Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Oh no, lobat na agad. Palit battery. Yan. Kailangan ko magmadali. I only have 15 minutes to do this. So, let's speed through. I have back-to-back meetings today. Hindi na ako mag-wash ng face. May cellular water lang. Kasi kagabi nag-full nighttime routine ko. Of course, Garnier, may cellular water. Lakas ng ulan kagabi, guys. Parang nagising ako in the middle of the night. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Parang ang tagal ko dun bago makatulog ulit. And then, toner. Putik! Nalaglag sa toilet yung cotton pads. Brightening eye roll-on. Because we're not getting any younger. Alam niyo, actually, kami ni Atsi, we're planning to get baby Botox. Kasi, ayun o, grabe yung wrinkles ko na dyan. Tayo ganyan, pagkagamanyan ako. So, yan, nilalagyan ko din pati yan. I know it's the lessen the appearance of eye bags, pero lagay na din natin, malay nyo. And then, my serums. First is this Garnier Bright Complete Anti-Acne Booster Serum. I also have the Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Booster Serum. And then the Lux Organics Aqua Lux Serum. This has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B. I just mix everything in the palm of my hand. Do it all over. Notice that. I have a finger. And then my new favorite, this is the Bella Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. I'm loving this kasi the coverage is just right. Tapos SPF 50 na rin siya. So 2 fingers. Just make sure you shake it before i-dispense kasi parang medyo matubig siya pag hindi siya. Pag nag-settle siya. Nung una, I didn't want to get this kasi parang nakikita ko sa reviews sa YouTube. Parang hindi naman siya tone adapting sa kanila. Parang cheka lang, ganun. Pero when I tried it finally, kasi may maliit na version naman. I didn't get the big one. Ito yung maliit na version. Tapos about one take one siya para ate. So, I finally tried it. And so far, maganda siya. Lagay din tayo sa under eyes. Concealing the vitiligo. Buildable din naman yung coverage niya. So, you can work with it. Okay. Morning routine done. Lalagay ko contacts before I brush my lashes by Ayumi. Kala ko nilaglag. Okay, let's make coffee real quick. 5 minutes. Hey Siri. Indoor light on.
Okay, done.
Let's do an Americano Intenso because we need it today.
While that's going, magpapalit lang ako. Let's go to my meeting. My dogs are boys, so it gets very rowdy.
Gagawin na natin yun. I see.
Joel and I have recently gotten back into taking our vitamins. We also recently got our 4th COVID vaccine shot. COVID is still out there, guys. Get boosted. Take your vitamins. These are from Wellspring. They are gummy vitamins, yes, kasi these are the only ones that we remember to take. They came in a set of 3. So merong pang daily immunity. This has elderberry with vitamin C and zinc. Raspberry flavor. This one's collagen. Strawberry flavor. How much collagen is in this? 500 milligrams of collagen. Tapos itong daily immunity. 45 milligrams of vitamin C. 3.75 milligrams of zinc. And 50 milligrams of elderberry extract. And then ito naman biotin with vitamin A and E. Mixed berry flavor naman siya. This has, ang dami. Vitamin B12, vitamin D, vitamin B6, vitamin E, vitamin A, folic acid, vitamin C, zinc, iodine, biotin, vitamin B5. Yung biotin ito is 2,500 mcg. Let's take all of them. Nilalagay ko din siya sa dito sa bedside table para every morning I don't forget to take them. Taking your vitamins, it can feel like a chore, so why not make it fun and make it gummies? Oh, wait, kulang yung ano. So it says to take 1 gummy per day. Total of 3 gummies. Biotin, immunity, and collagen. Okay, so we're about to work on some business stuff this time. A while ago, I had back-to-back meetings, and then I worked on a few things. I do digital marketing freelance work on the side, apart from the family business. So today is a full work day, and we're gonna work some more so that we have moolah to spend for Christmas. Kasi magta-12-12 na soon. Speaking of 12-12, I'm gonna do a what's in my cart or like a Christmas gift idea just in time for 12-12. So, sa ayaw at sa gusto nyo, mambubudal ako. Okay, let's work some more while we catch up on some of my favorite vloggers. Babe? Hindi ka pa tapos?
Hindi pa.
Sige. Hugas muna ako pinggan.
Okay.
Turns out, hindi ko pa ito magagawa. Yung mga receipts for BIR filing, kailangan yan for the business. Maghugas muna ako ng pinggan.
If you guys are curious on whether or not you should buy a dishwasher or kung sulit ba siya, personally, I think super sulit ng dishwasher. Especially if you don't have much time in your hands to, you know, dedicate like an hour and a half maybe sa paghuhugas ng dishes. Like me and Joel, we're very busy. So, bumili kami ng dishwasher so that it does everything for us. Plus, it's true na mas makakatipid kayo sa tubig kasi the dishwasher has like a setting na parang eco setting. So, basically, it uses less water than you will use kapag sa sink kayo maghuhugas ng pinggan. Plus, it's also much more sanitary kasi kapag yung normal na dishwashing soap tsaka sponge, the sponge, it just sits on the sink like that. Tapos, syempre, kapag moist yung environment, it gathers bacteria. So, kapag nasa dishwasher siya, it uses hot water plus parang itong binili namin, it has UV sterilization. Yun, hot water, tapos may sterilizer pa siya. It makes everything cleaner. Tapos, pagka nilabas mo siya, hindi mo na siya kailangan punasan. When you take it out, as in, tuyong-tuyo na talaga siya. I'll show you guys later. So, yun. Generally, more cost-efficient siya. Even sa kuryente. Hindi din siya sayad masyado sa kuryente kasi yung eco mode niya, apart from it saves water, hindi din siya masyadong gumagamit ng electricity. The only thing is, ito, tulad ng ginagawa ko, kapag may mga hard to remove na stains or yung mga namuo na pagkain, like sa plato, ganyan, kailangan mo muna siyang i-sinsin. Ano yung sinsin sa English? Basta kailangan mo munang tanggalin yun. So, I just rinse it really quick with water before I put it in the dishwasher. Plus, as you can tell, I'm wearing gloves kasi I'm not able to wash the dishes. So, dati, nung wala pa kaming dishwasher, si Joel yung naghuhugas ng pinggan. I cook, he washes the dishes because I have eczema. My hands react to dishwashing soap quite bad, as in to a point na nagka-crack yung skin ko. As in, crack na dumudugo talaga siya. We love our dishwasher. Oh, babe, don't you agree?
Sure.
We love our dishwasher.
Yeah.
Anong review mo para sa dishwasher natin?
10.
10 out of 10. 5 stars. Unfortunately, wala akong affiliate link para dito sa dishwasher namin. Kasi binili namin to sa SM. Of course, nung sale siya, installment. Pero fully paid na to, guys. Kailan nga natin to kinuha, babe? 6 months ago? Babe, are you still there? Wala na pala akong kausap. Another thing pala is yung mga plastic na Tupperware, ganyan, or like any utensils. Basta yung ginagamit nyo na kailangan hugasan na plastic. Not all plastics could be put inside the dishwasher. Ayun, you just have to be careful kasi I've had a few appliances na nasira or hindi ko na magamit ngayon kasi hindi ko alam na hindi pala siya dishwasher safe. So, lahat. Pati pinggan, actually. May mga pinggan na hindi dishwasher safe. May mga utensils na hindi dishwasher safe. Generally, lahat ng ceramics and lahat ng pots and pans na stainless, pwede. Yung mga non-stick pan, ang alam ko, hindi pwede. Tupperwares, depende. Most Tupperwares are plastic, of course. So, ito, may binili ako na parang isang buong set siya from IKEA. Dishwasher friendly siya. So, ito pwede ko siyang ilagay dyan. Yan, itong mga to, plastic bowls. Wala siyang indication if it's dishwasher safe. So, better just not put it at all. Pina-hand wash ko to. All done. Okay guys, it's done. By the way, this is the Hanabishi dishwasher H dishwash 50SS. There is a proper way kung paano nilalagay yung mga dishes. Don't overload your dishwashers. Yung akin, ayan, in-overload ko. So, hindi siya natuyo ng maayos. So, wag niyong gagayahin yan. Ayan, tuyong-tuyo na siya. Tapos, super kintab. Ang favorite ko is yung mga baso. Yan, oh. Super kintab. In case you guys are curious, ang gamit ko na dishwasher soaps and all of the things that's needed for the dishwasher, ang brand na gamit ko is ito, Akiba or Akba. Alam ko Akiba to eh. So, yung bulilit na dishwasher detergent tablets lang yung binibili ko kasi nga, I only have like a tabletop dishwasher. Meron din silang dishwashing salt, tsaka yung rinse aid. Etong rinse aid is the important step for like super dry, tsaka shiny dishes para wala siyang watermarks after. So, before ko iligpit lahat, explain ko lang. So, ayan, pag binuksan mo siya, dito mo ilalagay yung dishwashing tablet. Pwede ding dishwashing powder. May nabibili din ganun. Kapag regular lang na cycle, isa lang yung tablet na nilalagay ko. And then, kapag ka yung hard to remove na stains, maglalagay ka ng isa pa ulit dito. Parang pre-rinse yung ganito or pre-wash bago siya magbuka. And then, dito ko nilalagay yung rinse aid. Ito yung itsura ng buttons niya. Kapag kailangan ng i-refill yung rinse aid, ito, magla-light up siya. Tapos, yung ano naman, salt, dishwashing salt, ito naman siya. Yung dishwashing salt, it also helps the salinity, I guess, of the water. Kasi parang kailangan may right salinity yung tubig para hindi mag-watermarks yung mga dishes inside. Ang feature lang na ginagamit ko dito is itong eco. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na it's the most efficient cycle para makapag-save kayo ng water tsaka makapag-save kayo ng electricity. So, kapag isa-start mo na siya, i-on mo lang, tapos program. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano pa yung ibang mga nandito. Ito yata yung parang pang mga pots and pans kapag ka pang malakasan yan. Ito 90. So, parang ito yung 1 hour and 30 minutes lang na cycle. So, kapag eco, ayan, kita nyo, 3 hours yung cycle niya. Matagal siya, pero wala ka naman nang gagawin talaga. Hindi ka na magkukuskus dito, hindi ka na mag-rinse, hindi ka na magpupunas. Talagang tuyo na siya after. So, yan. Pagka na-set mo na siya, play mo lang, tapos tapos na. So, yun lang guys. That's my dishwasher review. Niligpit ko na to. Hey guys, it's currently 10:54 p.m. Nag-dinner na kami. I finished everything that I had to do today. Changed the bed sheets because Olaf peed on the bed. I obviously did my nighttime routine. I'm in my PJs again. And we're done for the day. Yeah, it was a very productive work day. And tomorrow will be another productive work day. But it would involve going out of the house this time. So, it's time to rest. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in Vlogmas Day